SpaceVac International takes high-level cleaning to the next step with a system that makes it faster, safer, and easier to clean in accessible high levels. By avoiding the use of ladders, hydraulic platforms, or scaffolding, the risk of damage or injury is greatly reduced, as all of the cleaning work takes place from the safety of the ground floor. Manufactured from lightweight, rigid carbon fiber poles, the system connects to allow operators to vacuum efficiently up to 15 meters high. Our unique safety locking mechanism prevents the poles from separating when in use and make it possible to maneuver the brushes with a great deal of precision. This safety locking mechanism also ensures that there is no risk of any part of the equipment getting stuck in a tight space or falling down and causing damage or injury. It's also safe to vacuum downwards without risk of the brushes or heads detaching and falling off. Our easy-to-use wireless camera and monitoring system makes it possible to vacuum surfaces not visible from ground level. Streaming via Bluetooth, the camera can be used to monitor progress as well as documenting the results, and also works perfectly as an inspection tool. The system is equipped with a range of brushes and heads in a variety of angles, making the system adaptable for even the toughest cleaning challenges. They can also interconnect to allow the operator to build heads to get into the most awkward of areas. No more ladders, hydraulic platforms, or scaffolding. SpaceVac makes the work fast, efficient, safe, and cost-effective. Please contact us to arrange a free demonstration today.